What's up? It's your girl Kenny Boom, and welcome to another episode of Gourmet for Less Than 20. Here we have the chicken thighs that I deboned early in the morning. I seasoned them up, and then what I did was I took my butt to the Chinese store and I bought some lo mein to serve on the side because we work smart, not hard. And this was the finishing product once I seasoned up my chicken and shrimp and grilled it and then threw it together with the lo mein, okay? If you haven't already, like and subscribe because I need all the love I can get, all right? Bye.